How to fix messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Search Do Not Disturb. Click on Do Not Disturb. And if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, Do Not Disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification. Again, open settings, scroll down. Click on apps, scroll down, click on messenger, click on notification. Here you will see allow notification, and if you want to turn on notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification. Now go back. After that, update messenger. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, click on messenger, scroll down, click on app detail and store. Here you will see uninstall or update option, and if you want to update messenger, then click on update. After click on update messenger update will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messenger cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, click on messenger, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. This is how you can fix messenger notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.